This is the final video to solve Python FileNotFoundError Image can't be found error. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways but finally found multiple methods to solve Python FileNotFoundError Image can't be found error, and I am going to share them with you. First, we address the most common culprit: incorrect file paths or names. Python strictly adheres to the exact string you provide, so any mismatch in capitalization, extension, or even a single character will result in a FileNotFound error. This method ensures your script is literally looking for the right file in the right place, preventing the operating system from reporting a non-existent file when it's just misidentified. Next, we investigate the current working directory, a frequent source of confusion for relative paths. When your Python script tries to open an image using a relative path, it searches relative to where the script is executed, not necessarily where the script file resides. By explicitly checking and potentially changing the working directory, we align the script's search scope with the actual location of your image, resolving the error caused by Python looking in the wrong conceptual folder. Our third approach targets missing or outdated image processing libraries. If your Python environment lacks libraries like Pillow or an up-to-date version, it simply won't have the necessary tools to recognize, load, or process image files, leading to a file not found error even if the file exists, because the interpreter can interact with it. Updating or installing these ensures Python has the capability to handle image data. Finally, we examine file permissions. Even with a correct path and the right libraries, the operating system might deny Python access to the image file due to insufficient read permissions. This is a fundamental security mechanism. Modifying permissions grants your script the necessary authorization to open and read the image, allowing the process to complete successfully. Each of these methods systematically eliminates common underlying causes, ensuring a robust solution.